Hi, I'm Roger from EVANNEX. Today we're going to be talking about the installation of mirror covers for Model 3. Our mirror covers come in both a carbon fiber and chrome look. They're relatively easy to install, covering the top surface of the mirror housing and the driver-facing edge. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to be certain that we clean the mirror housing thoroughly. We use an alcohol-water mix, usually about 40% alcohol and 60% water. Spray it onto a lint-free cloth. Microfiber cloths work very, very nicely. And then simply clean off the entire top and driver-facing edge of the mirror housing. Once that's done, we let the housing dry for a minute or so, and then we're ready to do our install. Our mirror covers are made of a high-strength plastic printed with either a carbon fiber, gloss carbon fiber look, or chrome look. The interior of the mirror cover has a double-sided automotive adhesive, which is very strong and will adhere directly to the mirror housing itself. Before we take the adhesive off, it's a really good idea to do a test fit. Leaving the adhesive covered, we simply take our mirror cover and place it on the housing just so that we get a look for how this works. You'll note that this edge will fit over the front leading edge of the mirror housing itself. We place it over and on and press down just to get a feel for how we put it on. Nothing is going to stick here. It's just a feel before we begin. As you can see, the entire mirror housing is now covered by the mirror cover down to the chrome strip that runs along the bottom of the mirror housing. You should note that the entire mirror cover will open and close normally. Once you're satisfied with the overall fitment and look of the mirror cover, it's time to do the installation itself. You'll note, as I mentioned, we have automotive adhesive in place. We now take an X-Acto and peel off the covering on the adhesive. We do this for all adhesive pieces as we go. Once the adhesive is exposed, we're now ready to place the mirror cover on the housing itself. It's a good idea to tilt it slightly and very carefully move it down so that the front edge, that's the driver facing edge, is covered by the edge of the mirror housing. Now you'll note it sticks pretty quickly, so we have to be careful as we place it down, pulling it in and pressing it down as we go. But that's the extent of it. It isn't particularly difficult. We press along the edges, any place where there is adhesive tape, and the housing is fully installed.